Anatomy of an HTML element. An HTML element consists of several parts, each serving a specific purpose. Start tag. The start tag is the opening part of an HTML element. It is enclosed in angle brackets and contains the name of the element. For example, p tag is the start tag for a paragraph element. Attributes. Attributes provide additional information about an element and are always specified in the start tag. Attributes are written as name-value pairs within the start tag. Content. The content of an element is the information or text enclosed between the start and end tags. For self-closing elements like img tag, there is no end tag. Instead, a / is placed before the closing angle bracket. End tag. The end tag marks the closure of an HTML element. It is also enclosed in angle brackets but includes a / before the element name. For example, /p tag is the end tag for a paragraph element. The structure of an HTML document. The HTML, head, and body tags are fundamental components of an HTML document. They serve distinct purposes in structuring a web page. Here's what each of these tags does and how the browser interprets them. Doctype HTML. This is the document type declaration. It specifies that the document follows HTML5. HTML. This is the opening HTML tag, which marks the beginning of an HTML document. All content within a web page is enclosed within this tag. Head, title section contains the document's metadata, such as the page title. The title element sets the title that appears in the browser's title bar or tab. It's essential for SEO as it defines the page's title in search engine results. The body tag marks the start of the web page's main content. Everything that appears on the actual web page is placed within the body element. Headings are important for both WCAG and SEO. H1 is the highest level heading and represents the main title of the page. It should be concise and descriptive.